ExerciseBuddy is a subscription-based app that allows you to purchase licenses or profiles for yourself or other users. This tutorial will take you through both options. To start buying licenses or profiles, go to ExerciseBuddy.com and sign in your account. Click on the tab Buy Licenses and Profiles. You will see that you can buy profiles under your current account, or you can buy licenses and profiles for a new user account. Let's start with buying profiles for your account. For example, if you are a teacher and want to add 2 new profiles for 2 of your students, you would purchase 2 profiles under your account. You will then be able to access these profiles on ExerciseBuddy. You have the option of selecting a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription. You can also set up your subscription for auto-renewal by clicking Auto Renew My Licenses. When you are ready to make your purchase, click Buy Now. You will be redirected to the next screen to enter your payment information and finalize your purchase. If you would like to purchase licenses and profiles for other user accounts, go back to the Buy Licenses and Profiles tab. Buying licenses and profiles for other users creates new user accounts with unique logins. However, these accounts will still be managed under your main account. For example, a school administrator may purchase licenses with student profiles for each of their teachers. These teachers will be able to log into their own accounts and access and manage their individual student profiles. However, the administrator will still be able to manage these teacher accounts. Select a monthly subscription or yearly subscription and decide if you would like to auto-renew your licenses. When you're ready to make your purchases, click Buy Now. You will be redirected to the next screen to enter your payment information and finalize your purchase.